Dear FMG students, this is Dr. Govind Raikar. You know our online FMG live program is going to start very soon. We have named it as Mission 200. That means we want you to get a score of 200 plus. I will be teaching pharmacology in that, and my class dates will be from 24th to 26th of June 2023. I will cover all the details you require in pharmacology in that period. Plus, you will have ample time to ask questions, your doubts, and anything you want to ask. And along with that, we are providing you 3 grand tests, which will be very similar to the actual exam. If you have not subscribed till now, please join the course. And what are you waiting for? Let's meet in the class. Thank you.